And now, before we adjourn, we go to standing order, question under standing order 14. I know members, all of you wanted to ask, but time not on our side. You are leader of opposition wants to ask. So because of seniority, we respect the leader of opposition. The honorable from Blantyre Southeast, resume your seat, please. No, resume your seat. Thank you so much. We go to question under standing order 14. The people of Mulanje Southwest. Thank you. Honorable member, your leader is standing. Respect him, please. No, it's a point of order. No. Your leader is standing. No. Respect anybody. I'm standing in a point of order. As a member of this house, Unfortunately, we respect our standing orders. We respect standing orders. Thank you. Mulanje Southwest. The powers to appoint is on the chair. The powers to select is on the chair. You don't have the powers. 105. Blantyre Southeast 105. No, 105. 105. Sayadams 105. 105. Not this chair, please. 105. 105. 105. 105. 105. 105. 105. We'll be back on Tuesday. Thank you. You recognize me. This is not MCP parliament. This is for Malawians. I've got the right. To be here. I've got the right to be here and to speak. You recognize me. 2 times. You promised me to give me the report. I did not give me. This is Malawians. This is Malawians. He recognized me. I've told you to go out. I've told you to go out. I've told you to go out. I've told you to go out.
First Deputy Speaker, sir. First Deputy Speaker. First Deputy Speaker, sir. First Deputy Speaker, sir.
Blantyre Southeast, I've told you to go out.
First Deputy Speaker, sir.
I've told you to go out. Obey the ruling of the chair. I've told you to go out. I'm adding more days. I've told you to go out. You have to respect the chair. The chair has the power to select. No. Leader of opposition, that's your member. That's your member. Leader of opposition, that's your member.
Let's try to solve this matter amicably.
105 out. I'm suspending you for 5 days. I'm suspending you for 5 days. Leader. Maybe before the leader speaks, let me make this before the leader and the leader of opposition and leader of the House may sit down. Yeah, I recognize you. Order members, I want to speak. Order members. Order members. Order members. Order members. Order members. The chair has the power to choose how to speak. That's what is in the standing orders. Even if I say I will recognize you, but now we have standing a question under standing order 14. For almost a week, the leader opposition has been looking forward to an opportunity to ask. And this morning, before we started business, he stood on a point of order to say, I've been asking. I want to ask him a question. Now, we had 5 minutes to go. Many people had stood, wanted to ask a question, including the South, which had promised. But because of 5 minutes to go, which he has to ask a question and the minister has to respond and then have to make an announcement, 5 minutes was not enough. As a chair, had to make a decision not to recognize those that had promised to recognize. But I have the powers here. Now, if I say, sorry, because of time, we have the leader opposition to speak, and somebody stands and start doing what I was doing. Leader opposition, put the house in order. That's not fair from my side. And be sorry, I would have given him 30 days. I'm telling you, the way he behaved, I would have even given him 30 days. But that's an arure. That's an arure. Leader of the House.
Right Honorable First Deputy Speaker, I think first is to apologize to the chair. I think this being the House of Records, we have both what we speak here and what is recorded. What we have seen here is shameful, because if you had recognized somebody from this side, it would have been another issue. But you recognized his leader, and being his leader, honorables from that side, this issue I'm speaking, you should also note that this is a house for Malawians. The leader of opposition is appointed because of the law. He requested us a question. We accepted to take the question. I even wrote there to say the leader of opposition has been standing. Can you curtail the Minister of Transport? And that was agreed, that the leader of opposition should speak. And your own leader of opposition, you don't want to respect. And now you start accusing the chair to say, this is not an MCP parliament. What has MCP done with this? Why do you always accuse MCP for things that are not supposed to be attached to MCP? So, Right Honorable Speaker, I'm speaking, I have the right. MCP has nothing to do with this type of behavior. Don't say Kutinkaniata when you have just disrespected your own leader. Why do you back somebody when he's misbehaving? No. So, First Deputy Speaker, next time, it happened the same way. When the opportunity was given last time, the leader didn't speak. Another member from DPP said that the leader was not available. Today, you have given the leader of opposition time. Another member from DPP says, no, it's me, when he is the leader. And he stands and starts accusing MCP when the whole country is watching that it is them, not us. Now, no one had time to extend time. We cannot extend time after time has gone. And never stand in this house and say government is stifling your debate. When it is your own making, you stand up and say, When it is your own making, go and put your house in order. That's why I said the opposition is sleeping, because you cannot refuse the leader of opposition to speak. So we are not extending time. Thank you.
Honourable members, before we adjourn, we have students from El Mariam Foundation Private School. May you stand, please, so I recognize you. May you stand, please. This El Mariam Foundation Private School, welcome at Parliament. On behalf of the Honourable Speaker and indeed the entire House, this is a house. This sometimes things get hot, and here the feeble don't fit. The strong are those that are here. So work hard in class and one day make it to Parliament. Work hard all the time. The members of staff that teach the students, please encourage the students to work hard. One day they should be members of Parliament. Thank you so much. You may have your seats, please. Thank you. Honourable members, it is past 12:30. It's been a lovely week, and as we look forward to meeting again on Monday, 2 p.m. House adjourned.